If I had to summarize my pension rules, they would be this. Have a large gene pool of stocks to pick from. So for me, it's 10,000 equities. It's not just British stocks. As I always joke, I'm not racist when it comes to picking stocks. I'm not racist when it comes to anything, but I don't think. But when it comes to picking stocks, so 10,000, and those are those listed on the London Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and it also includes international companies listed there. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I want the companies to be relatively undervalued. But I also want to check that they're growing in terms of their revenues, which is another word for sales, and their profits, another word for earnings. Okay, so I need undervaluation, which means how much profit are they making? And I'm looking at the profit version of valuation. There's different ways of valuing a company. How much profits are they making for every dollar I'm paying for the stock price? Growth and dividend yields. Now, let's say a company doesn't pay dividends and is slightly overvalued. Does that mean I'd ignore it? No, because it might have immense growth, which makes up for those two and still scores highly. Okay, but that's not the only factor. I need cash return on capital invested. It's something used by Goldman Sachs Wealth Management for their wealthiest clients. And essentially companies in the top quartile, the top 25% by that measure, generate 30% returns per annum on average. Not every company in the top quartile and not every year. So a year like last year, they smashed that. But a year like 2022, when the market was down, hardly any of them would have got that kind of return. Momentum, there's research from AHL and other hedge funds to show momentum persists, but is not guaranteed to. Sortino Alpha, you can look that up yourself. I need all those boxes ticked for my pension. Why? Well, it's my pension. So where did you get that kind of know-how from? Well, it's my pension. So yes, Nobel Prize winning economists, Daniel Kahneman, Richard Thaler, Eugene Fama, the last one in particular. It's my pension. So I want to make sure I'm getting, not from some journalist in some magazine, but I better be getting from Nobel Prize winners. I've written about it in my books over my shoulder, and if you'd like to download a free copy of one of them published by Palgrave Macmillan in an international bestseller, you can just go to alpeshpatel.com/links. Good luck with your pension. Just hope it's not with an IFA or a wealth manager like St. James's Place. God help you in that case.